I'm Helen from the Royal Astronomical Society, and I'm here with Candy Hansen, who's the PI for the JunoCam, which has been attached to the Juno mission. So can you tell me a bit about that, please?
Yes, the camera was on the mission from the beginning, but not with a science role, rather with an outreach role. We do science also, but mostly we do outreach. And our vision was to involve the public in a way that the public would be participating with us, not just watching what we do.
Right.
And so we have amateur astronomers who provide us with their data from their own telescopes, and we use that for planning. And then when we get the images back from Jupiter, we post our images on the web, and we invite the public to process the data, and we just ask, please post it back on our website so we can see what you've done.
So there's been a huge collaboration then between professional and amateur astronomers and people that maybe weren't as interested in astronomy before but have come at it from an artistic angle.
Yes.
So that's amazing. And am I right in thinking we wouldn't have such beautiful images that we've had if it wasn't for JunoCam?
Yes.
And that's been incredibly inspiring. And
Yes.
So have you had a lot of positive, is this the sort of the first time this has happened in a mission? And have you had a lot of positive feedback about that?
This is the first time we've done it to this extent. And yes, it's been fabulous. The participation by the public has been really beyond my wildest imagination.
Yeah.
And we get contributions from all different perspectives. So not just the scientific perspective, but the perspective also of the artist.
Yeah.
And that has been really rewarding.
Yeah.
And so it's been a huge success.
Brilliant. So if people wanted to get involved, how would they go about it? What would they do?
Go to our website, missionjuno.swri.edu/JunoCam. And we have different places that you can get involved doing different things. Amateur astronomers, their own images from their own telescopes, people who just want to discuss what's going on Jupiter. And we have a discussion board, and then, of course, the images.
Yeah. Well, that's amazing. Hopefully more people will be involved. Thank you very much, Candy. It's been brilliant.